So scared, oh my god. Hello, it is currently 3 o'clock in the morning and that means that it is the perfect time to dye my hair. So yeah, I want to dye it pink and that's it. This is the whole video, so let's go. So I went to Walmart and I found this like hair dye that lasts like 1 to 2 days and I said, that's perfect because I want pink hair, but I don't want to like ruin whatever coloring I got in here. The color is Hot Pink 300, so let's do this, ladies. I'm really sorry if the audio is awful because I'm in my bathroom. Basically, you just put this on your hair and then like you don't need gloves. Hey, the freaking instructions are, you have to like destroy this box to find the instructions. You know what? Screw it. I'm just gonna put it on my head and we're just gonna see how it goes. That is red. Oh, like this is the same color as my shirt. I am so scared. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh my, why am I doing this? So basically I have like balayage, I don't know, is that how you say it? Blonde stuff in my hair. So I'm just gonna like try and apply it onto that blonde bit. Also today I was just on YouTube, you know, just surfing it. And I saw that a lot of people are dyeing their hair pink right now, and I swear it wasn't because of them that I wanted pink hair. It actually was because I was bored. It looks like I murdered somebody. I'm not being as like precise anymore. I'm literally just like, yep, that's good enough. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna start at the front of this side because I'm scared I'm not gonna have enough. I should have bought 2 of these. I don't know why I didn't think of that. I seriously love watching videos of people dyeing their hair. The ends are like not that pink, like they're kind of just brown poopy color. If you're a hairdresser, just don't watch this. This is me time. I'm having fun, okay? Oh my god, you guys, this is so badly, like it's not even at all. So I'm just gonna sit on my toilet right now, but it's like maybe an hour later and girl, okay, just don't look at the back because it is like, this is so fun. If this video gets freaking 10 likes, I will permanently like do this for real. I moved locations in case you can see it any better. So yeah, you're just literally supposed to let this dry, brush it out, and maybe I'll see if I can style it. But you know, if not, this is the final result. This is actually the most fun I have ever had in my life, guys. If you are stressed at 3 o'clock in the morning, just dye your hair freaking pink. It's like therapy for $12. Guys, I really want pink hair now. Like, I really freaking want it. If I were to do this again, definitely I'd probably have to buy 2 because the back is hella uneven. But I mean, overall, this was like $10 of fun. Buy this stuff. It's super fun, except my hair kind of feels like crunchy Doritos. Yeah, thank you for watching this video. I keep looking at myself in the screen and I'm so sorry because there's like a screen with you know. Thank you for watching this video. It was therapy for me. Bye.